Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you've been following my Facebook group and my YouTube channel, you may have seen a little short I did where I've been teasing my tags. Now, it's no secret that I have fallen for these Cool Cats Mexican pocket tags where you get 6 different tags, 3 sizes and pockets to go on them. And I've done quite a fair few videos now using them. And when I saw that this new concept from Kay and Maggie coming out, I thought, wow, it's going to work with these. So I've done a video showing the basics for how to use tag dies. I'll link in the description below to that one for you to have a look at it. But you may notice a little difference. On the bottom, we have these little holes and some little reinforcement. And again, we've still got the pocket, we've got the plain tags, but there's a little bit of a difference. So I've worked on my International Scrapbooking Day project using Blossom. And if you've looked at that, you'll realize I've still got quite a few sheets left. So I decided that for this project, I would go with that Blossom paper. And this is what I've created. So it's still a work in progress. It's a memory dex idea. So these index cards, which fit into this MDF tray, which comes ready in pieces for you to decorate as you wish. So this is the new Cool Cats Memory Dex tray, but you do get 2. So you can use the second one as a lid for this one, or you can create a whole second one, which is what I think I'll be doing. So I've already decorated it with the Blossom paper. So all I did was trace around the pieces and made them just a little bit smaller and stuck them on and painted it with some black gesso paint. And then the kit also comes with, I was thinking, how are they going to create so many different dies and make them different? Well, the answer is they haven't. But what they have done is given you 2 brand new dies. Let me turn this one around so it makes more sense. What we have is a die which cuts the holes. And we've got a die here which cuts a reinforcer. So if I have a look at my journal card, so this is a 3x4, so 4 and 3 inch journal card by Graphic 45. And what I've done, if we look at the back, is as long as you've got a straight edge on the bottom and you can find the halfway point, this will work on any shape. So this one cut the holes. So see it fits in there. And then on the front, these ones added the reinforcement around, making it a lot more versatile. And it means you can use whatever you've got at home, whatever tags, your Batwing tags or your, what's the other one they've got, the Victorian pocket ones, you'll be able to add this index hole system, which means you can add whatever you want. But I did say it worked really well with the newer Mexican tag dies, because when I measured it, it fitted, the largest one fitted exactly inside. But I also used the medium one. So here's the medium tags, and I've used the Blossom paper. And 1 sheet of 12x12 cardstock will make 2 plain large tags, 2 pocketed medium tag large tag dies, and 3 medium ones. So you get a lot from 1 sheet. But I also use some record cards. So I've cut some using lined paper or lined cardstock. That's just a plain one, so I can add some fussy cutting or whatever I want to that one. A larger journal card one, just a plain. And then this one we've had the plain tag, now we've got the pocketed one as well. So I will have a couple of tutorial videos coming up on how to make the plain tags and the pocketed ones. And we've got another plain journal card one, and another of the Blossom pocketed, and a couple more plain ones, and another small to alterate the sizes, just a plain one there. So this one now I've added a border strip from the papers to the journal card. There should be another one, so it's coming at the end. So, and we can even add our photo corners, the curved photo slots from set 1 with a little photo mat, and this is removable and you can add them in. I couldn't fit the square on, so what I've also done is I've got a tutorial coming up on how to extend your tag dies, and that's what I've done here. I've extended it so it's taller than our original one. I think it's about 3/4 of an inch more. Don't quote me on that one, but it's enough then to put the square one on as well. So there's another extended tag, and here I've just used a plain rectangle and just finished off with one of the stickers from the kit. So that is the start of my Memory Dex tray. So I've got quite a few in there already. So it's been quite a bit of work already, and it's starting to fill up, but also I've still got plenty of space to go. So I can keep going and keep going. But you know, it doesn't have to be one collection. You can mix and they just pop in like so. So nice, easy system. So very, very clever. The way they've just designed such a simple idea. 2 tiny, inexpensive tags have meant that you've got quite a bit of versatility, and you can use what you've got in your stash already rather than having to have a separate outer and matte and layer for every different shape you want. You're going to take what you've got and make it fit your project. As I said, those Mexican tags are just absolutely perfect. They fit 3x4, so 3 inches is tall, 4 inches across, which means I could even use my 6x4s if I wanted some at the back as well, if they're portrait shaped. So I might do that, but I'm going to make some more journal ones, but they're not the most fun to look at, are they, in the walkthrough? So that is the new release from Cool Cats. So I'm really fortunate that they allowed me to have a quick play. I've only just had it, so I haven't had too much time to play and things, but what I have done so far I've enjoyed, and I'll have to start thinking of the other ideas I can do to expand what I've already done. So thank you very much to Kay and Maggie. Congratulations again on such an awesome idea. I will link to their shop in the description below, so you can go and have a look and maybe purchase them if you like the idea. As I said, I've got a couple of tutorials coming up as well, so keep an eye out for that. So if you do hit that subscribe button, they will notify and you'll jump in your subscription list there. So if you want to watch how I've made some of these tags, please hit that subscribe button. As always, leave a comment as well. It really does help the channel, and I do actually like reading what you think of the ideas. So thank you very, very much. And as I said, head over to their Facebook group, because there's a live launch in there as well, which you can probably watch on Rewind as well. So you can get some more ideas. So thank you for watching. Have a look in the description below for all the links, and I'll see you all again very soon.